Excellent. This is what we need. Come on. Come and support your boys. Okay, who have we got? We have got a 4-piece alternative rock band. We've got Johnny on vocals and guitar. Oh, give you like 100% for like perseverance. It's brilliant. Okay, where's Johnny on vocals and guitar? Oh, hello. He's quite beardy, isn't he? Like him. We've got Dave on bass. Oh, he's beardy as well. Hello, lovely. You remind me of someone. I can't quite place it. Do you come here often? We've got Tom on the drums. That's Tom back there. Hello. I can't flirt with him. He's a bit far away. And we've got Craig on rhythm guitar. Where's Craig? Oh, hello. More beardy. What does your T-shirt say? 100 reasons I can think of you. Excellent. Right. Okay, after this band, we have got an uber special appearance by one of my personal favourite bands. I'm not kidding. They are actually one of my absolutely all-time favourite bands. And I'm not just meaning local bands. I mean in my favourite bands ever. And I've followed them for the last 12 months. I met them in January. They were one of the first bands that came to Open Mic Night. And I was actually blown away. I was actually speechless, if anyone can actually believe that. Oh, yeah. And they're going to be launching their proper first album tonight. Massive round of applause about that. I think that's quite special. Local Llandudno band launching their bloody album. Massive cheer. Who is it? Is that Badger Management? You should bloody know who it is, mate, seeing as you manage them. It's the amazing Courteous Thief. Oh, yes. I'm not going to build them up too much yet. You know, we've got Zebedee first. Okay, I'm focusing, love, I'm focusing. Don't worry, Courteous Thief aren't competing for the big prize. Longshot are. They're just never ending. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Zebedee!
Prejudice lines will not stop us now. A world apart, but I'm right next to you. I'm martyred by default to anyone who believes we are what they say, nothing more. Significant. faceless, ignored by the world, then I would be gracious. What we have, we are the lines upon the page. This book is life, but what is the end? Only a choice, or is this written in stone? Tear us apart. Oh, you will never tear us apart. Oh, tear us apart. You will never tear us apart. Oh, you'll never tear us apart. You will never tear us apart. We're just a modern day Romeo and Juliet. We're just a modern day Romeo and Juliet. We're just a modern day Romeo and Juliet. So here we are. Now watch us fall way out, way out. So here we are. Now watch us fall way out, way out. So here we are. Now watch us fall way out, way out. Thank you. That was one of our own songs called The Fallen, strangely enough. So it's the last band finished with a song called The Fallen. Just marvellous. We've got one song left for you. It's called Empty Frames. And we quite enjoy playing it, so if you'd like to, you know, join in.
Situation I want to avoid. My retaliation, my idea of belief. You sainted addiction and now saints on trial. Tainted perfection emerges from this white light.
I now see empty frames, faceless and blind. Falling from grace, wait for this image to go. Racing of faith, time for this image to go.
Tainted perfection, such a scene to behold. Like a mirror that doesn't reflect summer without a breeze.
I now see empty frames, faceless and blind. Falling from grace, wait for this image to go. Raising our faith, time for this image to go. I don't know what this means. Seen it in my dream. It takes me into
Free of this, I need to be free.
I need to be free. I need to be free. Free of this. I need to be free. I need to be free. Free of this. I need to be free. I need to be free. Free of this. I need to be free.
Thank you everybody for being
Thank you
awesome
very
and
much.
everybody turning up tonight for an actual live big event in North Wales, which is
Thank you
awesome.
very much.